very expensive to do now for one maybe. Yeah, we have to stop the elephant riding,
Oh, they're chewing.
and you have to acting that one by you too. If you don't support them, they will acting by.
Take your time, guys. Just take your time. We're only waiting.
Keep more head food. They have a lot.
Non, tu donnes à la main.
Give to bowl, give to.
Oui, donne une shot. Voilà, une shot.
Got elephant here taking a mud bath, keeps them cool and keeps the mosquitoes and flies away. A little scratch on the tree there.
It's like a walking stick in the jungle for in the rain, umbrella. พี่โมขึ้นเลยนะ เดี๋ยวผมไปอธิบายข้อมูลเพิ่ม เป็น like this elephant cannot leaping now.
Okay. Ah, interesting.
So everyone, we have Asian elephant. In Thailand, we don't have African elephants, not the same. Bigger ear than African elephant. Asian elephant, smaller body size, lighter weight, and smaller ears. Both the same thing. Elephant is a plant-eating animal, and they are mammal. Okay, a day elephant eat a lot, about 10% of the body weight. Asian elephant the weight between 3 to 4 tons. A day eating about 300 kilo approx. Minimum 250, maximum can be male 4 tons, 400 kilo. An elephant sleep 4 hours, the other rest of time eating. When elephant feeling safe, elephant lie down on the floor. When elephant feel not safe, they stand sleep like a horse. Okay, this is elephant, and more information I will explain you again on the other section.
Okay.
This way, please.
So the elephant bit, the trees now, been eating them. There he is. Walk through the jungle now. It is hot and steep. You got Tong Lao there, and he's having a great time. And the issue has been here, got mosquitoes and biting flies. And it's hot, hot, hot. Feels like 100 degrees plus.
And then we boiling, we do the clean paper. We put into the frame and dye the color.
Oh,
This is a paper.
it's elephant dung paper here. Never heard of this before. Look, actual paper thing here. Super cool.
This is a texture. You can see the paper texture.
Yeah. You've got the touch me not plant. And look, when you touch it, it folds in. Look at that. That is mad. That is so cool. Touch me not. Special.
That's so cool.